Indian national capital's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Earlier, the Enforcement Directorate team had reached the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence in North Delhi's civil lines after the Delhi High Court had refused to grant the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal protection from coercive action in the excise policy case earlier today. This is news that's just come in. We shall get you further details about this story. In fact, we are likely to touch base with our correspondent who is covering the story. We are in touch with him, Dibyendu Barua. I beg your pardon, Dibyendu Mondal will be joining us in a little while. And he will be giving us more inputs on the story. The Enforcement Directorate has arrested the Delhi Chief Minister, the Chief Minister of India's national capital, it's a union territory. The union territory, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of Delhi. Earlier, the ED team had reached the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence in North Delhi's civil lines after the Delhi High Court had refused to grant the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal with protection from any action in the excise policy case. This happened earlier in the day, so this arrest has taken place and we are waiting for more inputs. Our correspondents are following this story and we shall be in touch with them soon. We have Vikas Sarthi on the phone line with us with more details. Vikas, put this into context for us. This has been imminent for some time. Fill us in with the details.
All right, Mark. So Arvind Kejriwal was also of the opinion that he is going to be arrested. In fact, he has been saying this earlier in the lower court, and today also in High Court he said that there are apprehension that he might be arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. So, and he was aware that this kind of action will be taken against him. If we talk about his legal options, yesterday he approached Delhi High Court where he challenged all the summons issued by ED. As of now, ED had issued 9 summons to Arvind Kejriwal to come to ED office and join the investigation. And he challenged those summons. Yesterday, he challenged those summons in Delhi High Court, and today also there was a detailed hearing given to him today also by Delhi High Court. And in fact, at the end of the day, High Court was of the opinion that at this point in time he cannot be given any kind of protection, any kind of specific relief which is not available to a common citizen. So after that, it was imminent that Kejriwal will be arrested. Soon, but ED in fact arrested him this evening itself, and now the only option available for him is either to approach Supreme Court against his arrest, and if even Supreme Court doesn't interfere in this whole process, then certainly he will have to approach the trial for bail.
So he can approach the trial court for bail, you're saying that is one of the options that is available for him. What are his, is there any information from his legal team?
Well, his legal team has approached the Supreme Court of India. An email was sent to the registrar who is responsible for listing of the cases. So an email has been sent, a petition has been sent to the registrar through email, showing the urgency that they need an urgent hearing. Though, Mark, it is not yet clear whether his legal team has sought to the hearing in the night itself, or they want it to be listed tomorrow. So it is not yet clear, because some people from his legal team are saying that they are demanding an urgent hearing in the night itself. But some of the senior counsel said that they will approach the Supreme Court and they will seek hearing as early as possible. So they are indicating that they might approach Supreme Court in the morning as well. So there is a lack of clarity on that part, but certainly they have sent an email to the registrar of the Supreme Court and has demanded that this case may be listed at the earliest.
So until that hearing, he still remains as the Chief Minister of the state, or would he resign? Or, I mean, what happens to the administration in Delhi?
Well, his supporters and his party workers and other ministers have clearly saying that Arvind Kejriwal will remain chief minister. What are the implications of that? We will have to wait for that. It will be more clear by tomorrow itself. But as of now, his cabinet ministers are saying that Arvind Kejriwal will continue as the chief minister, but certainly there will be some kind of legal implications and on that also. So we will have to wait for that. This is a political statement that he will govern the state from within the jail or within the PD custody, but we will have to wait for that.
We leave it at that for the moment. Thank you very much, Vikas Sarthi, for that information. Moving on then to our next story and to get a sense